Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Okay, yesterday on stream, look what we did. Look at those beautifully carved skulls. They're so cute, like especially compared to one that isn't carved. Stun. Beautiful, love them. They're not as hard as I thought they were going to be. Like the teeth, I thought were going to be super difficult to get in there, but it's not so bad. Look at that one. It's perfection. And then we also carved the eggs. Look how angry and awesome they are. I love them. Oh my god. Anyway, look at it. Look at this rug. I'm in love with it. Oh, we also had a hammer fall to the floor just now. That was probably good. That was probably really good. We finished well, not finished backing because I still have some like rough edges that we kind of have to clean up, but I glued the backings on. And then we also glued the backing on Mr. No Face All Mouth. So basically everything that I can back right now is backed. We haven't backed Chappell yet because I need to make some tassels with the sparkly yarn. If you look up Chappell's like cowgirl hat, or at least the one that I based this one. Here, I'll just put a picture here. She has like tassels that hang below, and I almost tufted them like as part of the rug. And then I think somebody in chat said like, what if you made them real tassels? And my mind was blown, so that's what we're gonna do. And then the meal rug is not backed either, because I need to get some like D-ring, because I want to make it a wall hanging instead of like a rug. So I need to get some of those like D-ring hanging things, and then I think I have some. Oh, I do have some hanging wire, so we're good on that. I may have D-rings already, so I should probably look before I buy some. But yeah, I need to dig those out before I can fully back this, because I have to kind of glue those down first. I also need to work on the jack-o'-lantern bag. I'm trying to think of like what the next step is. I'm not really nervous about any part of it besides the like, honestly, I do not know how I'm going to attach the like inside fabric to the inside of the bag. Like, I think I'm just thinking of, I have a piece of fabric that I want to use, but how am I going to, do I just cut, like, should I? Anyway, this is stuff for that video, and I have an idea. It's just executing it that I think I'm a little nervous about. But I wanted to carve the last mushroom skull with you guys. So let's do that now. Oh my gosh, hi. It definitely hasn't been like 5 days. Totally, definitely not. Sean had some days off, so we kind of just hung out, and I haven't been in here in like 4 days. But I can't remember if I filmed anything on Friday, so for the video, might be 5 days. Actually, I don't think I've filmed in a minute for vlogs, because I last second decided to film an entire video of how to carve rugs, and I kind of did this whole video like going super in depth, very beginner style, on how to like get into carving your rugs, because I know it can be quite the daunting task. But yeah, so I filmed that. I basically filmed that all in one day. Well, yeah, basically filmed the entire like tutorial part in one day. But I do need to finish like actually, oops, oh, I do need to actually like finish carving this. But this is what we have so far of the nudes. Look how cute. Everything, like all the like toppings are all carved. We're just getting into carving the noodles. So we do have some sections that still need to be carved. And then we did do some like, look how good that looks compared to like uncarved sections. It's just so nice. But yeah, we did do some carving on Friday. That's, I guess, the only update. But yeah, that carving video should go out maybe next Tuesday. So hopefully you're watching this on Thursday of this week. So I technically didn't miss a week. And then maybe the carving video will go out Tuesday. And honestly, I decided to make that video because the jack-o'-lantern bag, I'm showing you just some like orange circles as if it means anything, is gonna take some more time. It's gonna take me some time. I was like, oh, why not just like film this in between? I am gonna be streaming today. Well, today for me, it's the past for you, but for you, I'll be streaming tomorrow, which is Friday. And who knows what I'll be doing. Hopefully I'm moving on to one of these other rugs, right? Or maybe making tassels. It depends on what I do tomorrow. Yeah, hopefully we'll be done carving the noodle rug, the ramen rug today. I don't know if that's gonna happen though, because I have a package to open on stream. I'm pretty excited about it. Maybe we could do that now. Maybe we could look up how to do little tassels with yarn. Maybe we could do that now. I think I found a tutorial on how to make a tassel, and it seems super easy. Got my yarn. It's sparkly, and then it also requires a small journal. What's in here? What is that? I can't believe I still have this. I can't believe I still have this. This is a as if it's important at all. This is just like a sheet of receipt paper that I drew all these creepy trees on from when I was working at Michael's. Like a long time ago. Weird that I still have this. Anyway, let's stick that back in there. I do have like freaking 5 minutes, but I'm hoping that that's all this is gonna take. Maybe this is gonna be longer than 5 minutes. By the way, I'll link this tutorial down below in case you're interested. I don't know how big like I want the tassel to be. And yarn from the inside. We're gonna tie it really tight to secure the top. A double knot. I've made the biggest tassel. No, not the biggest tassel, but like I have to start streaming in 7 minutes, so. Okay, wow. I did do it wrong, but I think this might be better. They were trying to have it so that you didn't have to tie a knot for this part. And I might try it that way just to like see. But yeah, I think this works out just fine. Look how cute that is. It's kind of like a ghost or a broom. I should probably have counted how many times I went around. But this is just the prototype. Look how cute it is. Wow. I'll have to also remember to make this a lot longer because I think I'm gonna have to take these like ends and like loop them through the rug and tie them off on the backside. So I definitely think I'm gonna need them to be longer. I'm like really pleased with this. Look how like shiny. Okay, I gotta go. Hello, good morning. It's the next day. There was a literal like little cobweb from my camera to the mic, and I don't know what that's saying or what that's trying to say. But anyways, morning. How are you doing? So I'm looking around my studio right here. Why don't you look with me? Okay. Exhibit A. I'll just let you look at it. Get a closer look. I don't know. I have no explanation. Okay? Okay? So yeah, with all of that being said, absolutely nothing was said, but with that being said, I just feel like, I don't know, I saw somebody on Instagram, and I know you're not supposed to like compare yourself to other people, especially like as an artist, but I saw somebody on Instagram have the most like aesthetically pleasing arts like workspace, and granted, oh, that's where this is. Granted, there are like a digital artist, so I feel like it's a little bit easier to keep your workspace clean. But at the same time, like this table with my sewing machine on it is just wild. It's no man's land. It is bad. And I don't know, like I want things to feel, you know, when you like have a clean space in general, whether it's the bath, like Sean and I cleaned the bathroom like a couple weekends ago, and when I was done, I was like, I want to hang out in here. It was the bathroom, and like I was like, I want to spend some time in here, some quality time in the bathroom. But it's just something like that where like, this is my workspace. Maybe I get some like organizing stuff. Like what I really wanted to get for like forever now is one of those like wall organizing things for all of my little spools of thread. I just need some organizing things. Originally, when I started this clip 4.5 minutes ago, I was like, I'm gonna clean today. Even though I have zero time for it, I just kind of like need to be able to work properly in my space. But now I'm thinking, maybe I just kind of like survey right now and think of some like organizing tools, some bins of some sort that could help me organize. Maybe I'll do that in a whole separate video, just like, so now I feel a little bit better even though nothing has been done about it. Now I'm gonna put my mind to it and we're gonna fix this. Oh, also, I finished carving the ramen rug yesterday. Look how beautiful, like, look how absolutely crispy beautiful this rug is. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. Like, what? It's a bowl of ramen. I'm in love. I'm in love with it. Wow. The colors are actually like food colors, right? Because like these are delicious looking colors. This is one of my favorite rug designs, just in general. Like I'm in love with it. I think what I am gonna do is just clean a little bit, because I do have like, you know, some stuff I could do down there. There's like trash in places, and maybe, you know, I could do a little bit of vacuum. What were you even looking at? Could do a little bit of vacuuming and just clean a little bit. Okay, did I get caught up on... Listen, I sat down, I scrolled Twitch, because the update to the app, I kind of love it, because you can, like, scroll through different streams, and I found another tufter, and I lost some time. I lost some time chatting to somebody on Twitch. So anyway, we cleaned. It looks, you know, the floor looks much better, which is lovely. I think I'm gonna get some organizing things for that, and then I'll probably turn it into like a video or something. I don't know what this video consists of, besides making the tassel yesterday and cleaning today. What did I film before the 4-day gap? I just have no clue. I think I have to let you go here because I need to edit this video and then upload it today. But yeah, anyway, thank y'all very much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. I stream every Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 2 p.m. Eastern. Over on Twitch, I will put the link down below if you would like to join us. And I think my internet issues are gone. I don't want to say that too loud, but I think. You can also follow me in all these places. It is usually at Artsymadwoman, besides Twitch and Tumblr, which is the Artsymadwoman. I love y'all. To absolute death. What was this? Absolute death. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.